It's here, finally. You've waited, we've been building, Edgewise CRE is live. Stop listening to me, here's Erin with all the details.
Do you invest in commercial real estate, but feel like you're missing what's really moving the market and what's coming next? For the first time, there's a platform built for people like you, not just the pros. Welcome to the Edgewise CRE platform. If you're a stock market investor, developer, a private landlord, or someone looking to make smarter moves in commercial real estate, this is for you. Because for the first time, there's a platform built for people like you. Commercial real estate research has always been locked behind paywalls and jargon. Built for institutions, not individuals. Edgewise CRE changes that. Here's what we do for you. And it's all jargon-free, completely understandable. We cover what really moves the market. Real estate investment trusts, exchange-traded funds, mutual funds, equity funds, and more. And key performance indicators such as rental growth, yields, cap rates, and the geopolitical shifts driving global capital flows. It's all here and much more. Edgewise also introduces something completely new, research by video. Our research videos are just 2 to 3 minutes long, quick, clear, and straight to the point. It's smart, accessible, and designed for busy investors like you. And for those who want more, we've got full summaries. Concise, no fluff, usually a few pages. Just the signal, no noise. This platform is also fully interactive. You can connect with other investors, share ideas, send messages, and even state your level of experience, all inside the platform. You'll get frequently updated insights, tailored to what real estate investors actually need to know. And our live newsfeed gives you hourly updates, so you're never out of step with what's happening. At the end of your day, test your trading skills in our real estate simulator. See how much profit you can make. Take quizzes to sharpen your knowledge. And win prizes by making smarter, more strategic investment calls. We are supported by Statista, IBIS World and CoStar for trusted, award-winning research and data. And thousands of investors return to Edgewise every single day. This isn't just another tool. It's the first commercial real estate research platform built to put power in your hands. Click the button to join now. It's totally free to start. Explore the research. Challenge yourself. Connect with others. Edgewise CRE. It's time your investment strategy had a real home.